Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Dollar General clearance event, which is happening right now. I have some updates to share with y'all, and I'm going to show you all what I picked up today at the clearance event. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so and help us get to 25,000 Craz-E Couponers. Also, before you go, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how y'all's day went, and please take a second to share the video. All right, guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so round one, day one of the clearance event is done for me. I'm back home. It was a very successful day and I wanted to share with y'all what happened. So we're going to go over my transactions. I have a total of 4 that we're going to talk about. But first, I do have some updates that I wanted to tell you all about as well. So first of all, I have been making posts in the community tab. Yesterday, I went out yesterday evening and was scoping out the stores around me. I don't think I got back until 10:30 at night, so I'm pretty tired. Y'all bear with me. But I did find a few more of the baby POG clearance items. A lot of the safety stuff like outlet covers, cabinet locks. I did find some diapers, but I think as far as diapers go, it's going to vary from store to store depending on what they have in stock and overstock. So that is going to be kind of a hit or miss. Next, the next update, we do have a 3 off 15 DG store coupon. And guys, I really meant to post and give you guys this information last week or this past week. But with all of the clearance event videos that I was putting out, that just kind of consumed all of my time and it totally slipped my mind. But I did remember it this morning. I made a post about it in the community tab. So if you guys want that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, that link is available in the community tab. Now here's the deal. Here is what I did. Today I had already planned on using 2 of my accounts for coupons. And I added that 3 off 15 to 2 accounts. I have 2 other accounts that I'm going to use tomorrow for 5 off 25s. And then later on in the month, because you can only use that 3 off 15 one time on one account, you can't keep reloading it. So next week I'm going to load the 3 off 15 to a third account, and then maybe the next week I'll upload it to my 4th account because that coupon doesn't expire until June the 30th. So y'all keep that in mind, kind of plan it out, and you never know, we might have some glitches that go along with that 3 off 15 later on. So I definitely want to have at least 2 accounts with that on there, or with that available to add on there. Next up, penny items. Here's another thing that I didn't get to do this past week. I wanted to make a video about penny items during the clearance event because there have been a ton of pennies that surprised pennied over the last month. A lot of food items, a lot of personal care items. So while you all are out there, scan, and then scan some more, okay? Because I found 3 penny items today that I didn't expect to find. So with that being said, I do have like 50 slides made of penny items. I'm going to make a short video. It's going to be uploaded either right along with this video or directly after it, of penny items that you guys need to be on the lookout for. I'm going to show you 3 new ones in this video, but go and check out that short video. It's going to be one of the YouTube shorts, so it's just going to be like 2 minutes long or something like that. So 50 slides within 2 minutes, a lot of information. So go and check out that video once it's uploaded. Make sure that your notifications are turned on. Next, and the last update that I have is on the bath tissue. And we're going to talk about that more later on in the video. But unfortunately, this morning I was checking the bath tissues and I only found 3 that were automatically ringing up half off, okay? Now somebody had left a comment. I cannot remember the name off the top of my head. Sorry guys, I'm very tired. But the True Living 6-pack, I think. I'll leave it in the pinned comment down below what type that was so that you guys can be on the lookout for it and scan it if you see it, okay? But unfortunately, the Scott Cottonelle, the True Living 4-count, those are all still ringing at full price. So unless you can find a store that is manually adjusting that down, it's kind of just going to be a hit or miss. So hopefully you guys can score on some bath tissue. And if you do, let me know. Come back and let me know in the comment section. All right, so I have a total of 4 transactions we're going to go over. I saved a ton of money today, so let's get into these deals. So I'm basically just going to do a quick run through because I don't want this video to be too long. And you guys pretty much know all of these deals by now. If you guys have watched part 1, 2, 3, and 4, you know about all of these coupon matchups, all right? So I did find 2 of the Centrum mini vitamins. These were in the regular spot, unmarked, untouched, and there were a ton of them left. So these were free, plus a bunch of overage with that 4 off 1 digital coupon. I think, is it a 4 off 1? It's either a 4 off 1 or a 3 off 1. Again, I'm a little bit tired. All right, so I did use 1 digital with this transaction, and then I also used a printable coupon from Inbox Dollars. So I will also get an extra 20 cents back from Inbox Dollars once they have processed that coupon. Next up, Right Guard Sport Deodorant. These are $1. We have a 1 off 1 insert coupon, making this completely free. Next up, penny items. So I found Nivea Express Body Lotion, 13.5 ounces, 1 penny. 1 penny. There may actually be coupons out there for these. I haven't checked yet, and I was kind of in a rush this morning while I was at the store. So, yeah, y'all might want to check on that, see if there's any coupons. Also, Biore with a face scrub. There may be coupons out there for these as well. 1 penny. I found 2 of these. Now, at my store, they had tons and tons and tons of those gray totes that they were bringing out from the back. I know for a fact that the employees have been going through those totes for the past couple of weeks, pulling penny items out and just, you know, throwing them away or doing whatever with them. So, even if your store is really good at pulling penny items, now, during a clearance event, is one of the best times to find penny items. Because even if they're really good at finding those penny items, things still slip through the cracks. I found 6 penny items in this transaction at this one store this morning. So there just goes to show you, I never find penny items, and I found 6. Now the third one that I found was very exciting because it is Ibotta. Ibotta, guys. Now, I know some of y'all are like, what? Why are you going to be excited about that, girl? Now, this was a penny for 1. It was 1 penny. And we have a 3 off 1 digital coupon, making it free plus $2.99 in overage. Yes. Okay. So y'all be on the lookout for these. Like I said, a 3 off 1 digital coupon. We also have insert coupons and printable coupons that you can use with this as well. Okay. Even though it's a penny, you can still use coupons on it. So $2.99 in overage. So y'all be on the lookout for these. And if your stores are pulling out those gray totes, go through them. I have literally broken nails today. I have some missing. I'm not even going to show you that hand. But I went through those totes and scanned. So that was awesome. That was definitely worth it. All right, next up. Dishwasher tablets. Y'all, I had one goal for this weekend, and that was to find dishwasher tablets. So I can stop today and be a happy camper. So anyways, I ran back into the back on the regular shelf. I found 2 of these Finish Powerball dishwasher tablets, 24 count. These are $2.02 right now. And we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon making these $1.02. So this was like my unicorn find. I am so happy about this because I was so dreading going and having to pay full price for dishwasher tablets. So I'm very happy. very happy. All right, next up, Cascade. Also in the regular spot, untouched, unmarked, beautiful. I found 2 of these. Cascade Original Lemon Scent 28 count. These are $2.85. We have a 50% off 1 digital coupon. We also have insert coupons in the P&G insert. So if you find multiples of these, pull out your P&G inserts and use those insert coupons as well. So again, I'm a happy camper. Cannot beat it. Next up, Dawn dish soap. 40 fluid ounces. Guys, $2.25 this weekend. Be on the lookout for these. Look on the end caps. I found these, it wasn't even on like the main part, the big shelves on the end. It was on the little tiny ones on the side at the very bottom. there were 3 sitting there. I was so happy that those were still there. So $2.25 on any other day, even with a sale and a coupon, you're not going to get a 40 fluid ounce bottle of Dawn dish soap for $2.25. And if you know how to do that, you better be leaving me in a comment down below and telling me how you're getting some cheap Dawn, okay? That's all I gotta say, because I want in on it. All right, next up, Palmolive Spray Away. Found one of these. There was just one left in the clearance section for $1.50, so I snagged that up. Also, found some laundry detergent. I got the Arm & Hammer laundry packs, 29 count clean burst. Now, they had pulled these off of the shelf, and they had put them up front with the totes, and they were just pulling all kinds of stuff and putting them on tables, on those U-boat shelves, pulling them outside. So I snagged up 3 of those total, but I just put 1 in this transaction. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. So those are $2.02, and I think we have a rebate on inbox dollars for Arm & Hammer right now. So really good deal, $2.02 for 29 packs. Now, let's talk about laundry detergent. Let's talk about the Tide Simply. Now, if you guys went out shopping today, I'm sure a lot of you guys already know that the Tide Simply, we expected a lot of it was supposed to be included in this clearance event. It was on the list on the memos that the managers received, but unfortunately, a lot of them are not. They're still ringing up full price. So we do have the Tide Simply Odor Rescue 74 load fresh linen. Now, I found 2 of these on an end cap. So again, you guys look high, look low, look on those top shelves, look on the end caps, and scan. So these are $4.25. We have a 1-off-1 digital coupon making them $3.25. Now, I think I saw these at 2 other stores in my area, so it's possible if I go out tomorrow morning, I'm going to try to pick some more up and include it in a 5 off $25 deal. But at $3.25, I thought that was still a really good price for 74 loads of Tide Simply. Now, I do have a very kind of awkward, funny story, but I'm going to save it for later. Maybe we can do a quick live and talk about the clearance event Sunday or Monday, something like that. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know if you want me to go live, and we can just kind of chit-chat about how the clearance event went for everybody. All right. Next up, I cannot pick this one up. We have extra Calypso Fresh 170 loads. Now, I saw these at several of the stores in my area. Everybody had at least one on the shelf in the regular spot on the very bottom. This one even still has dust on it. Like there's not untouched. Now, I have not tried this laundry detergent before, but I'm definitely going to now. So these this weekend, they are $3.92. All right, now in total for this transaction, retail price would have been, I didn't include the penny items, the full price on the penny items. The IB Guard used to be $6 on clearance. The Nivea lotions, probably $5 each. Biore, usually $5 each. So I'm going to round this to $60 retail price for everything that you see here. I paid $8.36 for 17 items, making each one just 49 cents each. You can't beat it, especially because I got everything that I was out to get. The dish soap and the laundry detergent and the dishwasher packs. I am a happy camper. So that left me with a savings of over $45. All right, guys, so here is my second transaction. Again, I was using that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, and these are all pretty much the same exact deals that I just told you about in that first transaction. So the only thing that is new in this transaction are the Palmolive Power Packs 36 count. These were $3.37. So for this transaction, retail for everything would have been $49.59. So basically $50 worth of products right here. And after all of the coupons and discounts, I paid $10.02. All right, here's a look at my receipt. All right, guys, so here is the third transaction that we're going to talk about. Now, this was actually at the second store that I went to today, and it was a 70% off store. Now, unfortunately, they did not have a lot of the POG clearance items. All of that had already been marked down, clearanced out, taken off the shelves, whatever. But it wasn't there anymore. So, I decided to go ahead and pick up a few things at 70% off anyways, just because it's a great price. So, they had a ton of the towels. I picked up a 2-pack and a 3-pack. These were 90 cents at 70% off. I picked up the Centrum vitamins again, 70% off, so that gave me a lot more overage. I also picked up a couple of shower curtains at $1.50. This was a purple dot little calendar board at $1.50. Here's a couple more towels that I grabbed. So I grabbed 4 packs of towels total. And they still had a ton left. So I thought, well, if I want any more, I can come back tomorrow and include it in the 5 off 25, right? And then last, they had a ton of these storage bins, True Living storage bins. These are originally $6.25 each. And y'all know, us couponers, we need storage bins for everything. But at $1.80, I couldn't pass it up, so I picked up a total of 8 of them. So all in all, this transaction retail would have been $82. I paid, what did I pay? $19.45. So I thought this was a really good deal, and I'm still on budget. Alright guys, so little change of scenery for this fourth transaction. So as y'all can see, I did end up picking up some Angel Soft. As I told y'all at the beginning of the video, there was a lot of bath tissue that is still ringing up full price. But at my first store, I did this transaction. I kind of just hung around. I was talking to the employees, talking to the manager, going through some more boxes, and all of a sudden, she got the call from the district manager to go ahead and start marking down the discontinued bath tissue, because these are, all of the ones that I included in the videos, those are discontinued. They're not going to be on the shelves anymore at $5 each. The new price point is going to be $5.99. So any of the packages that you see at $5, that's going to be the end of those. But I ended up picking up a total of 8 packages, so $20 worth. Originally $40, so I saved $20 right off the top. Unfortunately, none of the coupons attached to these specific ones, but still a great deal. Now, I kind of capped myself off at $20 because there was just a ton of it. There was an absolute ton of it, and the employees were grabbing a bunch of it. There were other customers that were grabbing a bunch of it, so I just grabbed $20 worth, went and checked out, and I'm a happy camper. So hopefully you guys can find a store that are manually marking these down, because like I said, they are discontinued. They are not going to be on the shelves any longer once they are sold and gone. That is it for the $5 Angel Soft. Alright guys, so all in all, I ended up saving about $170 today, and I am super happy with that considering the products that I found. Now, you guys, let me know how y'all did down in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you, and if you want to send me pictures, send them to my email. All of that information is in the description box. Now, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, because we're trying to get to 25,000 crazy couponers this weekend. Also, please hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below, and take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one.